How to send USDT from OKX to OKX. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can send USDT from OKX to OKX. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to send USDT from OKX, you just need to simply download the OKX application on the device, and after that, open it and log into your account. After logging in, you need to verify account in order to go with the further process to send USDT. But since I have not verified my account, I'm just going to simply briefly tell you on how we can send USDT from OKX to OKX. So first of all, open your OKX application. As I said, after that, you just need to tap on assets at the very bottom. And here you will be able to see a withdraw option. If you have verified account, just simply tap on withdraw. And when you tap on withdraw, it will show you a bunch of cryptos. So you just have to select USDT, and then it will give you withdrawal method on chain, internal, and fiat. So as we're going to send it from OKX to OKX, you just need to select on the second option where it says internal fee. So just tap on that option. After that, you will be taken to another page where you need to fill out form, where you need to enter your phone number, your amount, and all other things that they are asking you to do. So after filling out, you just need to enter up the amount. So there you just need to select the email address of the other OKX account, and just like that, enter the amount and tap and submit, and go with the other process of withdrawal or sending USDT from OKX to OKX. So therefore, by following those methods, you can send USDT from OKX to OKX. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.